Aiden, what are you eating? You seem to be liking it quite a bit.
They ate a whole scone. Or, ate/dropped a whole scone.
Scone with blueberry filling. He's cute.
You're so happy. You like your scone, huh? So happy.
Aunt Katrina sent that. Did you know that, Aiden?
You got some on your eyelid with that last swing.
Aunt Katrina sent us the scone mix.
It
Didn't have any eggs.
There's no eggs in the scone.
Aiden, you want to tell Aunt Katrina about how you ate a quarter of a pan of brownies yesterday?
It was like this.
And he just kept going and going and going. We didn't give it to him, just for the record. It was our babysitter who didn't know what brownies were.
You need to put that on video recording. It's not as good a story that way.